Hi guys, welcome back to my channel Shake Ride. Today we are at BMW showroom Bengaluru Lavelle Road because yesterday BMW launched a BS6 version of GS310 and also G310R. So today is just going to be a walkthrough review of both the bikes. I will take you through the technical specifications and let's see what has changed and what has improved, and also we discuss about the colors and price. The best part about this newly launched BMW vehicles are they are priced very less compared to their outgoing models. If you see, the G10R has been reduced around 50,000 rupees and the G310 GS is reduced around 65,000 rupees. So now they are more affordable to the masses. The interesting part over here is when any bike gets updated to BS6 version, the prices get increased. But here in BMW, these two bikes got updated to BS6 version and the price has been reduced to the great level. The BMW has made this so that the bike is accessible to the masses, and it also loaded with a lot of features now. It comes with slipper clutch, the adjustable lever for both brake and clutch, and let's see what else is there. When I do a walk around review, we will have a clear understanding of what the actual bike is now. There we go. To start with the alloy wheels, they are the rubber is provided by the Michelin, and they are 110 by 17-inch rim. This gets the alloy wheels. This is 300 mm disc here, and you also get the ABS there. And as we go up, this is a 41 mm upside down forks in golden color. Looks so premium. And this is the radiator here. You have a BMW branding there. At the front you get a full LED setup here for BMW G310R. These are the DRL lights, and these are the indicators, LED indicators here. You can see when we turn on this how they look very bright, right? Okay, so as we go further, now this is 11 liters of tank capacity. There's a R here, and if you're considering the mileage of 30 kilometers per hour, 30 kilometers per liter, somewhere around 300 roughly range you would get. And this is the instrument cluster. This is not the TFT one, and this is the engine kill switch, self start. And then this is for your DRL lights by default. Then you have low beam, high beam indicators, honk, and there's a badging here. Now we can see in the instrument cluster digital console you get the neutral information here, the gear indicator. You then have a tachometer, speedometer, your time, a battery indicator, engine indicator. You then have let's see what else you have. Odometer here, it's showing now currently. When you press this, it goes trip 1, trip 2. You then get engine temperature. You then get a range considering the fuel available in the tank. You then get the constant instant mileage showing 25. Now this is the average mileage, and this is the speed, average speed you've been traveling. And that's the date, and that's the setup. So that's the information available in the instrument cluster. Looks very premium. Coming down to the dimensions, I can say the length is of 2005 mm now. The wheelbase is 1380 mm. That still remains the same, and width is of 820 mm. The seat height is something to talk about, 785 mm, and the fuel capacity I told you it's 11 liter. Then the curb weight is almost around like 159 kilos. That's a good thing. That's all about the dimensions you need to know. Let's go to the engine now. Coming to the engine, this is 313cc DOAC single cylinder engine. This generates roughly around 34 bhp of power at 9500 rpm and a 28 newton meter of torque at 7500 rpm. This is the BS6 version now, and it's mated with the 6-speed gearbox now. It also gets a slipper clutch. It also gets a traction control. It looks more sporty now with the color here. You have a branding here, BMW, and the pegs are set mid-side, I guess. Let me sit and see how they look. Yeah, they have set little back rear set, I can say. The foot pegs are set at the rear, little rear, and then you have this exhaust here, and this is the pillion rider foot pegs. The brake lever here, and this is the adjustable monoshock at the back, and here is the huge tire at the back. So this is of 150 by 60, a 17-inch rim. At the front also you get 17-inch rim, and this is the headlights, very beautiful LED headlights here, grab rail. Seat is soft, very soft. We'll get an experience only when we ride it, but it has enough a decent enough space for the pillion rider. This is Harry guard, must and should Harry guard, and this is the swing arm. At the back you get the disc brake of 220 mm there, and also gets the ABS there, and this is the gear lever. Looks very compact and stylish, and also looks very sporty in nature. The same thing you get it in the 310RR Apache. It misses out with the color TFT screen. Let's do a engine start now. That's a kill switch. Sounds good. Sounds bassy now. Even it's a BS6 version, still has that power and grunt. Let's start now. But overall package looks good with the compared to price what they're giving it now. So this model, standard model, you get somewhere around 2,45,000 rupees, and on-road price roughly around 3,80,000 rupees something. And it goes there's a different another color that's called Cosmic Black or Stylish Sport. That's ex-showroom prices are 2,55,000. On-road will be somewhere around 3,30,000. It's still a good package. I mean compared to Duke, you're still getting a decent good package, and you're having a brand BMW. So that's the point there. So this is a walkthrough video of G10R. Do subscribe to my channel, Sheikh Rides, and comment if you have anything to say, and also press the bell icon for the latest updates. And I'm Sheikh, and I'm signing off for now.